Hey guys and gals, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Today I'm gonna show you the BTC, the Bitcoin move, and this is the chart of the BTC. Today the BTC took the bullish divergence, and first let me to take you to the live chart, and after that I'll show you my previous charts and my predictions about the BTC I published a few days back. And first we'll see it on the week chart. So this is a week chart and this is a Bitcoin price action. And if we see the moving average, the simple moving average 100, and I'm just changing the time period of this moving average and making it more visible for you guys. Alright, so this is the 100 simple moving average, and we can see that the Bitcoin was hitting the 100 moving average since 23rd of September 2019. So this is the first touch, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, and after that the Bitcoin tried to move up, and after that the Bitcoin again moved down, and this is another touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth touch. So if we see the Bollinger Bands with this moving average, then we can have another idea that the Bitcoin has a very good support at this time, and that is the Bollinger Band. So after, you can see after December 2018, from here, this is for the first time that Bitcoin is hitting the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands after almost a year. And here you can see this is the December 2018, and now this is the December 2019. So you can see the Bitcoin, the price action of the Bitcoin is likely to have bounced from this support. Now, if we go to the day chart, and this is the day chart, let me remove all the indicators. All right. On day chart, the Bitcoin formed a bullish crab pattern, and this was a pattern. This is the initial leg, and the A to B leg of crab pattern should be between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci, and here you can see the price action is retraced up to 0.454 Fibonacci, and that is exactly between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci as required for the bullish crab pattern. And after that, if we see the B to C leg, then it should be between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and here we have the retracement or projection up to 0.45 Fibonacci, and this is the A to B Fibonacci projection, and the final leg should be retraced between 1.27, almost here. This is the 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So here we have the retracement up to 1.285 4 Fibonacci. And almost this is our potential reversal zone of the BTC. This was our potential reversal zone from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So this was the area from where the Bitcoin was supposed to take the bullish divergence, and realistically it should be moved or projected between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci of A to D Fibonacci projection. And here we can see so far the price action has retraced or projected up to 0.382 Fibonacci and already hit this area. So if we move more down, or I'm just removing all the indicators, and if we see the price action after just more zooming in the chart, then here we can see the price action has formed another bullish bad pattern within the potential reversal zone of previous crab pattern. And this was the chart. This is the initial X to A leg, and A to B leg was supposed to be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.50 Fibonacci, and we can ignore these spikes. And the B to C leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and here we have retracement up to 0.739 Fibonacci. And the C to D leg should be retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. So after that, the price action was supposed to take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone. I have already published the charts accordingly a few days back. I'll just show you after drawing this chart. All right, so this was our potential reversal zone where the price action was moving, and now the finally price action has taken the bullish divergence. All right, now here what I want to show you, the main thing is that we have a strong resistance here. This is the first resistance touch, this is the second, and this is the third. So we have the resistance almost at $7,700, and this is our resistance level. Where the price action will hit very soon, and this was the projection area of A to D leg. Now, if the price action will be closed above this potential reversal, potential sell zone, more than 0.786 Fibonacci, then the price action can be more pushed, and it can break out this resistance. So after when the price action will break out this resistance, which is almost at 7,700, then our next resistance level would be at almost $9,800. Now we have two harmonic patterns. One is the crab pattern, and the price action has just took the bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone of the crab pattern, and we have also the formation of bullish bad pattern, and price action has also taken the bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern as well. So these two harmonic patterns can give a very strong push to the price action, that the price action can break, especially this first resistance at $7,700, and after that the price action can hit the second resistance, which is almost at even exactly at $9,819. So if the price action will break out this resistance, then the price action can move more up to hit the next resistance level, which is around at $10,834. So this is our third resistance level at $10,834. Because here we have one, two, and three touches, three common highest touches. So I'm expecting that even though we have achieved this 0.382 to 0.786 sell zone area, but I'm expecting at least the price action will soon hit this resistance level, which is at around $9,800. This is at, yes, sorry, $7,700. And in case if the price action will break out this resistance level, then it can hit the second resistance level, which is around $9,800. So this can be a more powerful resistance because here we have the moving average, the simple moving average. $25 on week chart. If I'll take you to the week chart, then we can see first we have the resistance of 25 moving average around at $9,200, and after that we have the resistance level at $9,800. So the price action, if the price action will break out this resistance level $7,700, then it can hit the $9,200, the 25 moving average, and after that it can hit almost up to $9,800, which is our second resistance level if we ignore this 25 moving average, because the moving average is already moving down, so the price action can easily break out this moving average. So and if we see on the bigger level, on the week chart, then the price action is almost forming another harmonic pattern, and that is the bad pattern on the bigger level. And so far it is retraced up to 0.693 Fibonacci. So if this pattern will be completed, then the price action can move more down up to 0.786 Fibonacci, between 0.786 Fibonacci up to 0.886 Fibonacci. But here we have some fluctuations in the final leg. Therefore, I'm expecting before moving this last bear leg, the price action can even move more up to hit this resistance level of $7,700 at least. And in case it will be broke out, then it can go to hit to $9,800. If the price action will hit the $9,800, then this pattern can be invalidated. And the final move of the Bitcoin can be confirmed if the MACD will give us at least, if you, even we can see the MACD is turned weak bearish from strong bearish, but if it will be turned strong bullish like this or weak bullish like this. So our final our final bullish move of the Bitcoin will be confirmed that the Bitcoin is gonna move. It's gonna take a very big move up to um, $10,000 or more than $10,000. But as at this time we are just watching this level of $7,700 that the Bitcoin is gonna hit this level first, and after that we will see uh, what will be the developments will be in the future. And I will share all the details with you. So this was the Bitcoin update for today, and definitely I will be sharing all upcoming updates with you in my next videos. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And definitely I'll start the coaching sessions for you guys, where I'll just tell you about how to do the harmonic trading and the different indicators and the different moving averages and the different trading strategies as well. Uh, and take care of yourself, and goodbye.